Hey friends, so I posted this video last year. In this video, I was explaining how I got free money, how I got free money from rich and kind people, how they gave me money, and I was explaining the ways that anyone can take steps and use the methods that I used in that video to make sure that they get free money. But only few people reached out to me and said that they really got money just by using this method that I was explaining in that video. But a lot of people, they didn't get the help that they needed. So I came to realize what could be the problem, and in today's video I want to share with you the secret that can make you receive free money just like me a few months ago. This person that you're seeing right now is a way different from the person that I was a year ago, because I was facing very hard time, and I always share my story on this channel. If you have been seeing my videos, I'm pretty sure that you know pretty well about me. So in today's video, I will share a little bit about my story and how I got this help for anyone who didn't watch that video. So I will share a little bit about my story, but also I'm going to tell you the secret on how can you really, get free money, get help from people who are out there want to help anyone who is in need. So let's now dive in and see how are you going to do this. I want you to listen briefly about my story, then I'm going to have to tell you the secret that you're going to have to use to make sure that you're going to get financial help, to make sure that you're going to get the money that you need and you can change your life. And I want you to listen to me very careful. So last year I was 28 years old. Right now I'm 29, and the next year I'll be 30 years old. So last year it was very challenging year for me because I didn't have money at all, so I decided to go back to live with my parents. And living with your parents at 28 years old, you must be depressed and you must be having stress like all the time. You're thinking about you have let your parents down and all that. So I decided to go back to my parents, and it was January last year. I lived with my parents for more than 6 months or 8 months, I think. So I always shared my story on this channel. I was posting what I was going through at the moment. I was posting my story, and I touched a lot of people with this story that I was sharing on this platform. So there was this person who was touched about my story, and she reached out to me asking for my email. I gave her my email. Then the next day she said that I should check out on my email. So we had this conversation, and she wanted to know me more. Like, she wanted to know like what I was really going through and what are my plans and all that. So I told her that for now I think I need to start a business and all that. So she asked me like how much I want that can help me to make sure that my life gets better. And I told her that only $1,000 can be enough for me. So after a very long conversation between me with her, I gave her my bank, details. And the next morning, I received $2,000 from this woman. And as you can see, this video that I posted, I was explaining like how I started my business with this money that I received. It was a lot of money for me. Having $2,000 in Africa can be enough money for you to do a lot of stuff, to start a business, to live good life in general. So I started this business. I bought a lot of stuff at home. I surprised my parents by decorating our house and all that. So all of this is the money that I got from this person, and she just saw my video. She was very touched about my video, and later on she ended up, giving me $2,000. $2,000 is really enough amount of money that can really change anyone's life. So in today's video, I'm going to give you this trick that can really help you maybe to get this help that you want right now. So this is what you have to do to make sure that you are also going to get financial help from people around the world. All you want to do with that, you need to catch people's attention to make sure that they're going to give you money, they're going to help you. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, because this woman is now living in UK. All right, so she saw my video. I am in Tanzania, Africa. She saw my video, she was very touched, and she decided to send money to me. So this is what you have to do as well, to make sure that you get someone who is going to help you and be there for you until you get succeed. So this is what you have to do. All right, so most of people do suffer in silence. They are going through hard time in silence. They don't want to share their story to different people. They are afraid maybe it's very embarrassing to tell people that they are suffering. But you may never know that only one video can change your life completely. Just like for me, you know, only a few months ago I was living with my parents. I was 28. I was very, very depressed. But now I'm living at my own apartment. I feel good. My life has changed completely just because I was able to share my story to the internet. And this beautiful woman was touched about my story and she decided to help me. So what I want to tell you that all you want to do right now, you need to accept that you need to share your story to different people around the world. That's the only way that you are going to get help, because rich people, kind of people, they're not going to help you if they haven't seen you, if they haven't heard anything about you. So you need to make sure that you're going to stand up for yourself, and you're gonna do what I'm gonna tell you in this video. I'm gonna share this video to you so you can see this video and learn something about this video. Maybe if you're gonna record a video, it has to be just like this, and this is what you have to do. So I'm gonna have to pretend that I don't have money for now. I'm gonna have to pretend like I need $500 for anyone who is ready to donate money for me is welcomed. My name is Hans David. I'm 29 years old, and this is really hard for me to say, but I'll be honest. Life has not been easy for me. I live with my parents. They're getting old, and I try my best to support them, but what I earn is really not enough. I've been working so hard on my YouTube channel and content creation, and I know if I can just get a good camera, things will change. For now, I'm trying to raise $500 to buy a proper camera so I can take good care of my family and my work very seriously and grow on my YouTube channel. I'm not asking for pity, I'm just sharing my reality, and if you've ever been in a position where I just needed one opportunity to move forward, then you understand my situation. If you can help me or share this video, I will truly be grateful. Thanks so much, and may God bless you. After watching this video, I really hope that you have learned something on how to make sure that people are going to donate money for you, because video is very powerful. People are going to watch your video, people are going to share your video, and people are going to feel the need to donate money for you just after watching your video. So it just depends on how you receive your message to the world. And you don't need like fancy camera, you just need a very normal camera. You can use your mobile phone. As for me, I'm just using my mobile phone, my iPhone 6. And the other thing that you need is quiet space. You just have to make sure that people, they are going to listen to you without any distraction. And the most important thing, that was just example. All right, that was just example video, but you need to come up with a serious reason. You need to come up with anything that you're really going through, which is really needs help, so you can share to the world, and the world can hear you and decided to donate money for you to help you. So after recording this video, how you gonna get people see this video? There are two ways that you can get which people can be able to see this video. All you want to do right now, you can join on these platforms that are giving fund, that are giving money, like a GoFundMe, just giving Indiegogo. There are too many platforms out there that are willing to accept your video and to accept you to start fundraising on a given website. The other way that I really encourage you to go ahead and try out is that, the good thing about these platforms like Instagram or TikTok, anyone can watch your video, and it doesn't have limitation on how many shares your video can get. So I really encourage you can go ahead and try to post a video on social media like Instagram or TikTok, or X, because there are a lot of kind of people. Just be intentional, share your story. People are going to listen to your story, people are going to share your videos, and all of that can be possible if you have genuine intention. Do not lie to people that you're facing hard time if you're not facing hard time. So I hope that you're gonna try out, you're gonna use this method, share your video to different people around the world, post your video on Instagram, post your video on TikTok. People are going to find your video and you're gonna get the help that you want. Because for me, I shared my videos on my YouTube channel. You know, my YouTube channel is not a big channel. It's just a normal YouTube channel. But I got help from YouTube, from this kind of person who needed to help me. After that, my life was changed completely. So just use your platforms wisely. You just don't have to go to Instagram to scroll down and do nothing. You can use your platform wisely. You can get the right people to help you on these platforms that you're using right now. So with that being said, I want to say thanks so much for watching my videos, and I really hope that you're going to try this out and this is really going to work out for you. And before I go, I just want to pray for you. May God bless you. May God help you out. May God listens to you. Whatever you're going through, may God solve all your problems. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this is really going to work out for you. Thanks so much, and have a great day.